Hello everyone, in this video I will demonstrate the Claronox wireless applications running on a Y-Link 8 Koala Connect module mounted on a Koala Carrier board. Before we move forward, let me quickly go through the features we have on the Koala Carrier board. This carrier board can be powered by an external power source via these screw terminals located here, or it can be powered by a USB connection via this micro USB port on the right hand side of the board located here. Alternatively, this board can be powered by the Koala EVM when it is connected by the WMI interface. This 3-pin jumper connection located here should also be set according to the power source used. This carrier board consists of a 16 MB external flash memory located on the backside of the module, which is used to store Bluetooth and Wi-Fi firmware used by the Koala modules. There are also two user LEDs located here, a temperature sensor located here, and a user and reset button along the top side of the board. Well, that wraps up the brief introduction to our Koala Carrier board. Now that I've acquainted you with the Koala Carrier board, I'll show you a graphical representation of the two-way data exchange between a remote Koala Connect module and the Koala EVM acting as a Wi-Fi access point. In this example, we are using the temperature data obtained from a remote sensor interfaced with the Koala Carrier module. This data will then be transmitted to the Koala EVM, which will be listening for any incoming Bluetooth low energy signals. It is necessary to establish a connectivity bridge between the temperature sensor and the internet. The Koala EVM can be configured as a Wi-Fi access point and thus acting as a bridge to the internet. This will allow other devices such as a phone or tablet, as we have here in this example, to communicate with the Koala and have direct access to the sensor data. In the next demonstration, I'll walk you through the steps to set these features up. For this video, I will be demonstrating the Bluetooth low energy functions of the Claronox Koala EVM board. I have already set up the Claronox debugger and loaded up the application onto the Koala Connect module, which is located on the upper left-hand side of the Koala EVM. In the console, I will select which wireless technology we'd like to set up. I'll select option 1 for Bluetooth. Then I will initialize the Bluetooth stack by selecting option 1. Then I will open up this NRF app on the phone, which allows us to scan for Bluetooth low energy signals. I'll enter option 3 on the console so the Koala EVM will start advertising a Bluetooth signal. If I go back to the phone, the Koala EVM signal comes up as the second instance of the Claronox BLE peripheral app, and you should be able to see that on the screen capture right here. In the app, I'll tap on Connect to establish a connection between the Koala Connect and the phone. So now it's connected. On the phone screen, you'll see the information on the BLE profiles. When I click on Unknown Service, you'll see a whole list of characteristics. So these characteristics can be anything, any information coming in from a server or a sensor from a device. So we can read the characteristics on this first item, which is index 2. When we click on the button here, we can see it comes up with zeros because we haven't put any information in there just yet. We can also send some information to the console through one of the characteristics. We'll select this third characteristic, which is index 6. Type some arbitrary information, and then tap on Send to display the information onto the console. So then the next function I'd like to show you is reading the local characteristics. So if I enter 6 on the console, which is read local characteristics, and enter index 6 for the third one down on the list, then it comes up with 3333, which is the value that was already stored. So that concludes the Bluetooth low energy demonstration using the Claronox Koala EVM board. The first thing we need to do is to enable the Wi-Fi stack, which is option 1 in the menu. So now the Wi-Fi stack has been initialized and we have two options to proceed with. We can configure the Wi-Fi module as a station or as an access point. I'll go with the access point test first, so I'll press 3, which is the wireless LAN access point test. Then we start the interface as an access point with default configuration by pressing 1. I'll also need to enable the device by pressing 3. So now we move on to the Android phone and connect to this access point. Here on the phone I can see the Koala Connect module's Wi-Fi network in the name ClearNox AP, so I will tap on that to connect. And now you can see on the console it says that a new device just connected to the Koala Connect module's network, and we can see the IP address assigned to the mobile phone as well. Now if I go to the browser on my phone and type 192.168.1.243, which is the default address for the web server running on the Koala Connect, then I can see the familiar thermostat app and can control the LED by adjusting the temperature threshold value. So this concludes the Wi-Fi demonstration on the Koala Connect module attached to the Koala Carrier board. Remember that you can find more information about Koala Connect and all of our other products on our website. Thank you for watching!